Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Seabee, and today I'll do a quick tour. It's not a tour actually. I'll be upgrading my fridge. So currently this is what we have. This is 90 liters Ramtoms. I've stayed with this fridge for more than 10 years, almost 10 years. So I want to do an upgrade of this. So I wanted you to see how it looks. Then we'll be able to see when the other one comes. I really love Ramtoms because it's durable and it's pocket friendly. So I've just switched it off, and I want the ice to melt so that I clean it as we wait for our new fridge to arrive. So see you when the new fridge comes. So on the inside, just imagine this is the only freezer we had. Just like a small freezer, but it served well. It had 2 compartments, and it's dripping water because I just left it to unfreeze. So that's why there's a lot of water. So I'm waiting for it to completely unfreeze the ice. Focus. Yes. And just this one. I wouldn't complain. It has really served the purpose for the short period or the long period we had. Just imagine this small freezer. And our family just grew. That's why the upgrade was necessary. So that's why I just took this the before. Then we'll be able to check the after. And for cleaning the fridge, I always use lemon water. I just squeeze lemon and add vinegar and some warm water. Then I just clean my fridge. That's all I always use. I usually don't like using soap in my fridge. Labda itokee nje.
So, aidha tuandika. Nashikilia box eh? Wewe shughulika na nini? Nashika box. Achilia kiasi. Pole pole.
So this is the following day, and our fridge came. As you can see, it's still Ramtoms. It's a double door, and it's a 128 liters. At least now we have enough freezer. At least our meals can fit there compared to the small one. Just imagine it reached here. This is the only freezer I had. At least now I have a big freezer. It has a compartment here also. Let's just focus. Then it has adjustable shelves. At At least now we have enough space. We also have some space here. We have an egg tray. We also have our ice. Is it called an ice palette? Then we have our manual here. So basically that's how our fridge looks like. For some of you this will not be an upgrade, but for me it's an upgrade from a 90 liters to a 128 liters. And I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Yes. And if you want to buy your electronics, you can order them from Electromart. I'll put their number on the description box. And they deliver. They are very fast actually. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you on my next video. I wanted this video to be very short.